Hello friends, namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. Today I'm going to share a quick fun backdrop that's bright and colorful using woolen threads and couple of saris. Let's get started. I'm taking a 7-inch piece of cardboard and wrapping yarn around it. Wrap it 20 times or more. Once done, using a pair of scissors, cut all the strings together as shown here. Now take two string pieces out of it and use one to tie the bunch together in the center. Use another string to fold and tie the bunch like shown here. This makes a beautiful tassel. Now even out the tassel end by cutting out any uneven strings. Repeat this with as many colors as you would like. Total number of tassels depends on how big you want the backdrop to be. For my backdrop, I used 5 colors and made 30 tassels in total. These are the fun tassel colors I chose. Now let's get to the trick on how I hung these tassels over the sari. You can either use an invisible thread that's used to stitch soft toys like teddy bears, or you can use a strong cotton thread that matches your sari color. Because I'm using yellow sari as backdrop, I'm using yellow thread in the needle and knotting the thread to the needle. I'm just using single layer of thread here, so it might be hard to see the process, but I will clearly explain what I'm doing. I'm taking approximately 6 feet of thread and using the needle and thread, I'm bringing my first tassel to the end of the thread and I'm knotting it in place. Be patient and do it slowly so you don't get the thread all tangled up. Next, I took another tassel and brought it next to the first one. I left 10 inches gap from the first tassel and tied the second one. I also made sure I'm not tying the same color tassels next to each other to make it look more random. After knotting 6 tassels on one thread, I carefully put it away and moved on to the next thread. Like this, I made 5 long threads with each having 6 tassels and 6 feet tall. Now let's move to the backdrop. As always, I used my backdrop stand. I will leave link to this stand in the description box below. Using 2 saris for this backdrop, this yellow sari is little see-through, so I'm putting it in 3 layers. To do that, I hung the sari over the stand, brought the back layer to the middle and secured it with clothes clip. Repeated the same on the other side, and after I'm satisfied with how it looks, I replaced the cloth clips with safety pins. Next, I hung my pink sari on either side of the yellow one as shown here. The middle part of the pink sari will be hidden behind the yellow one. I bought this pink sari on Indian Amazon. I will leave link in the description box below in case you want to check. Next, I secured the sari with safety pins. Adjust the little frills neatly to make it look good. Now using safety pin, I took the first tassel on each thread and pinned it to the top of the yellow sari. When you are pinning on the sari, make sure you pin it to all the layers together. If you pin it only on the first layer of the sari, then the sari might not be able to bear the weight of all the tassels. I also made sure I'm pinning them at equal distance. Next, I added yellow artificial marigold garlands on either ends using safety pins. I also added some string lights that I had on hand to bring in the festive touch. I also added these gold color side stands that I made using plastic bowls. Check out my video link in description box below to see how I made these. That's it, a simple yet very colorful and very budget friendly backdrop is ready. It's perfect for mehendi parties, dandiya nights and also for Karwa Chauth. I also think it makes an awesome backdrop for some colorful holy pictures as well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you like this fun backdrop. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more festive updates. Thank you.